a loving tribute and congratulations to all the children around the world. Hi, sweet little friends. Today is a very joyful day. Congratulations to all the amazing children. Today, the world paused for a moment. The clouds smiled. The sun shined just a little brighter. And there they were, Pikachu and the majestic beige Persian cat, a real, purebred Persian, with a very special message, just for you, beautiful child from anywhere in the world. They said today is not just another day. Today is your day. A day of tiny dreams, warm hugs, joyful giggles, and sparkly eyes that light up with every little magical thing. It's Children's Day. Pikachu jumped with excitement. The Persian cat wagged its fluffy tail with love. Together, they prepared a tribute filled with tenderness, a message of pure love that fits in the heart of every single child on the planet, from Brazil to Japan, from Africa to the North Pole. They said, "Thank you for existing. You are the sparkle of the world, the hope of tomorrow." So here's a big imaginary hug just for you, a sweet little kiss, and a smile we made with all our heart. Because you deserve a world full of beautiful things. Happy Children's Day. Never forget, you are the magic that turns everything into joy. See you in our next adventure.